Hey, window tinters out there. This is Neil from WindowEffects Tint Masters. We're going to show you how to tint a brand new F-150 Tremor. Show you how to do it. 2 front windows. We're going to remove the rubber. I'm going to show you a super fast, quick way, and we're going to get done in less than 10 minutes. So I'm going to pop this back right here. Take this off, and there's a screw right back in here. So you don't even have to take this screw out. If you just grab it right here and pull, that piece comes out, you can hit it right back in there. That's it. That's how you take that off. All right, I'm gonna scrubby pad this really good. Make sure in the Ford it has a bevel on the top. See how dirty that is, even though it's brand new? Because that top edge has a bevel on it. So, we're gonna get all the dirt off there. Boom. I'm gonna squeegee it. I'm gonna make sure I get all that soap off and I'm overlapping 50-50. Run the window all the way up. Final spot. And because that window went back up, I'm always going to squeegee it one more time at the top. All right, now I'm ready to get it wet at the top. Okay, then I'm going to turn it down flush. In case there was a speck of dirt, I'm going to flush it down the window. We're putting on a 45% tint. This is the darkest legal tint in North Carolina. All right, we'll drop the elbow underneath and then just drop that front down in. Makes it really easy to bottom load this thing. I'm gonna lift my elbow up, tuck it down in there. All right, gotta work that corner in. All right, this is gonna be a 10-minute or less tint job, but it's gonna be super clean, so we ain't just slapping this in there. And we're gonna make sure our edge is lined up nice and tight. So I'm holding that tint so I can squeegee a lot of that water out and make it tack sooner. All right, I'm gonna let that ride right there. All right, do the other window. That way I don't have to even heat it up. All right, again, I'm gonna take the dirty side, really get in that groove down in there. So you can see how dirty that window is. Those grooves will get dirt in the top of your window. So anytime you got a window that has a groove in it, all right. Oh, did I forget to take the sweep out? I did. So, bust that sweep out real quick. It's gonna bust into my time, but I'm gonna flush that bottom out. We're good. I wonder where my trash cans are at. They're supposed to be on each side of these, so I can throw my trash away. All right. Get that front in there. Keep my elbow up so I can lift this back in. Boom. I can flip my hands over. Get that side in. All right. Let's get that top locked down. Notice I put a good, decent amount of slip solution there, like 2 squirts of water, because I want it to be slippery a little bit so I can slide it around. All right, edge is good. Lick the thing so I can tack that down pretty hard. All right, wipe off my door. Now, I usually put a door cover on these if you've seen my other videos, but these Fords, just because they drop down like that, it makes it a little bit, I don't really like putting those in there. All right, so now we're gonna come finish this window because it's probably already dried at the top. And now that film's not moving, so I don't have to worry about heating it up. I don't want it the whole way up. I'm still going to hold that with my thumb because I don't want the film to move. Here, get that down in there. All right, now these Fords are super easy. When you pop that back right there, I can drop it right back down in there, drop it in there, get that back over, get that front over. That thing's locked in there. I don't know how I'm doing on time, but that one's done. 6.5 minutes. I'll be done in maybe less than 7 if you count the cleaning. All right. All right, if I didn't want to work back and forth to each window, then I could get the heat gun and heat that up to make it stick a little faster. And I left a sweep in there, so it set me back about 15 seconds. Okay, but I don't know why you would 2-stage one of these when it's that easy to do that. And we're gonna get a close-up of this little mechanism too, so you can see right here, Vance, this is what I'm talking about. So the screw's attached to this thing right here, but you don't have to take that screw out. It just pulls right out of there. I mean, it just hits back in there, and that's it. It's done. We're gonna clean the window in time. Looks like there's sap from where they parked this at the dealership. You can see that everywhere. All right, so that's how you do an F-150 in less than 10 minutes. So if you guys like that video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. There'll be more tricks for you. But again, with this one, super easy. When you flip it back and just get your hands in there and kind of pull out that one. That's on all the newer model ones of these. I think starting in like maybe 2021 or something. Super easy, super clean. Appreciate you guys watching.